What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be checking out the LaView Wi-Fi security camera. This is their F1 model. This runs about $19. It is what looks like to me is their attempt at competing in the $20 security camera market. Now, this is an indoor security camera, so it's mainly used for baby camera, nanny camera, pet camera, monitoring anything inside. It's not for outdoor use. But neither is any of the $20 cameras that I've seen, the security cameras. That does night vision up to 25 feet. It does support a microSD card, but also records to the cloud services. It does have alert notifications, free mobile app, obviously. I mean, that's great. That comes with that. Easy installation. I mean, how easy could you get when you plug it into the wall with a micro USB cable and get it going? Like I said, cloud storage if you want, 1080p full HD. It does work off of 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and it has two-way audio, so you can talk to the person that's near the camera, or you can also listen in to what they're saying. Let's look at the back. So like I said, it goes off of Wi-Fi. It does have push notifications for motion. You can use the cloud storage if you want, or you can actually use a micro SD card to record onto. Night vision goes up to 25 feet and two-way audio. It does have an app in the App Store for Apple as well as in the Google Play Store. So it works for both Android and Apple devices. So one thing I wanted to mention is this is the packaging. For one, I've actually never seen a security camera come in a small packaging like this. Usually come in a box, but it looks like they're wanting to save money on packaging, maybe, or maybe this. I mean, this is a great display for on the shelf or something. But for 20 bucks, it's. I mean, we're going to test out how good the quality is of the actual camera itself for daytime, and then also night vision, and has two-way audio as well. And see how well it does for 20 bucks. We'll see if it competes with the other $20 security cameras. Like I said, you can pick this up for $20. Down in the description below, I will link this so you can check it out for that and the current pricing. Right now it's $20. I don't know if that'll go up or not or go down, but check it out for yourself. So let's go ahead and get this packaging opening and show you what you get in the packaging. All right, so first things first, what you get in the box is a micro USB cable to USB-A for the charger block to plug it in. This is probably about a 6-foot cable, maybe a little less. Then you have the actual camera itself here. It's very lightweight. It's a plastic body all around, so I mean, don't expect metal or anything like that on this. The camera itself does rotate multiple angles. So you can set this up any way you want. And then also I noticed here, you got the circle down here. I think that's where that 3M double sticky tape goes. So you can actually put this on a wall or something like that. It is very light, so you'll stick up pretty easily. On the back, you'll have the actual speaker itself right here. And then you have the reset pin right here. The micro USB port for the power. And then on the side here, you have the micro SD card slot for storing on this actual camera itself. Like I said, this is pretty simple, pretty basic. But, I mean, you don't need a whole lot of stuff going on for something that's pretty, for a security camera itself. So let's go ahead and check out the quality of the actual video, daytime and nighttime vision. And then also I want to do the audio test. So I'm going to go ahead and get the app on my phone and get it connected.
This is an audio test to see the volume of the actual audio coming out of the camera itself and how the quality is.
So now that you've seen the actual video quality from night vision to daytime footage, I'm actually not, I'm actually pretty pleased with the actual quality of video. It does rank up there with the actual other $20 security cameras. So, I mean, LaView's got it going on for them on this. They just released this pretty soon. I think it's already been released. I think it's been out actually for a little bit. But congrats, hats off to LaView on that one, because this is going to compete with the other $20 security camera. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking for like a little camera that's 1080p and does night vision and daytime footage, and you want something decent quality to check up on your pets, or a nanny cam, or maybe even a baby monitor. I mean, even if you just want something to check up on your house, this is, I recommend this camera itself, especially for the price, because you can add more than one to the actual app itself. You can record to the cloud. You can also record to the SD card that's on the actual camera itself. I will say this, I read wrong. The actual app that you're going to want to use is just says LaView. And it's just, that's all it says. There's no connect, there's no one on it. I had trouble getting it set up, but so the app itself is pretty quick and easy to actually get it connected. What you do on that is you plug this in and you face the camera, this actual camera to your phone, and it scans a QR code, and you tell it what your Wi-Fi password is, and boom, you're done. And then you can name the camera itself. So as you can also tell, the two-way audio is not too bad for this as well. So you can actually talk to someone. I've actually reviewed some cameras that have two-way audio, and it's so hard to hear and understand what someone's saying. So there you go. If this is your first time to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like the video, give me a like and a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions or opinions, go ahead and put them in the description, the comment section below. And I will see you next time.